Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your calculator on your Redmi Android phone. And for that, I'm going to tap on my calculator right here, and it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do here to switch to scientific calculator, what we want to do is to tap on here, and in a few seconds, it's going to automatically switch to scientific calculator right here, where you have all scientific features right here. Let's say, for instance, I type 4 square roots of 2. Then you have the answer right here. Let's say, for instance, I plus it by 2. Then you have the answer right here. And I go ahead and open bracket. I try to type 4.5 plus 3. Then close bracket. Then you have the answer automatically right here in your Android phone. You can use this to do any scientific calculation right here with just your Redmi Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.